Hey guys, so today is the National Galaxy S9 Day. In about 4 hours, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be unveiled to the people of the planet Earth. But still, that hasn't stopped Huffington Post to publish the first ever hands-on of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and talking about some of its main key features. If you guys missed my previous video, I did the official trailer breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy S9, which also leaked thanks to Samsung themselves. They actually made the trailer public on their YouTube channel, hence it was everywhere and we talked about it and it was fun. But anyways, here is the beast in its full glory, the Galaxy S9. As you can see, it looks very similar to the S8, having the same screen size as 5.8 inch, and of course the Plus model is having a 6.2 inch display. They have mentioned that it's slightly larger than the Galaxy S8 family despite having the same screen size, which is because of 0.1mm smaller bottom bezel. It is much faster. With the brief hands-on they had, they were absolutely blown away by the new Exynos 9810 processor / Snapdragon 845. Of course, we'll do our speed test to check on that really soon. The next thing they mentioned, of course, is the new state-of-the-art camera that can take some pretty incredible pictures in the dark. Of course, thanks to the f1.5 variable aperture, meaning you can change it. You can control the light that is entering the sensor like a professional DSLR. So Galaxy S9 is on top of its game when it comes to the low light. In fact, it's said to be the best smartphone camera for low light shots. Also, they have dived deep into one of the main features of the S9, which Samsung will heavily market, and that's the new AR Emoji. The front-facing camera can 3D map your face and can turn you into an emoji, which can be shared via Samsung messaging app, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or GIFs. They've also confirmed that camera can shoot up to 960 frames per second, and it's called as SuperSlow Mo video feature. And you can even set that slow motion video as the wallpaper of your phone. Damn, that's some cool unheard info right there. Slow-mo 960 FPS videos can be set as your wallpaper. It'll surely look amazing. They have also confirmed that phone has dual AKG tuned stereo speakers with the Dolby Atmos surround sound technology support for a much richer audio experience. Furthermore, the pricing for the UK has been revealed. They've confirmed that the price for the Galaxy S9 is going to be around £800 in UK, and the availability date will be 16th March worldwide. You'll be able to buy the Galaxy S9 S9 Plus in 3 colors: midnight black, coral blue, and lilac purple. So there you have it, guys. The first hands-on has come early, even though it does feel like this was a mistake too, since people are not really allowed to post stuff before, hours before the official unveiling. But yeah, we got what we wanted. This is the S9, and in about 4 hours you will see the official presentation / trailer and everything. But I guess I saved all your time because now you know what's cool with the Galaxy S9 family. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments section, and I will catch you guys soon. Peace out.